So let's start with our next chapter, that is acids, bases and salts. Yeah. So what is an acid? An acid is a chemical substance that has a sour taste. Okay. Many food items such as lemons, curds, vinegars and orange taste sour because of the presence of acid in them. Okay. Now we all have tasted like lemons we have tasted, curd we have tasted, and curd, especially in the case of when you have left it outside without keeping it in the refrigerator for too many hours or assume one day. Okay, it will start tasting sour. Okay, similarly orange. Okay, so these substances have acids in them, hence they are acidic in nature. Okay, so it doesn't mean that they have acids so we can't have them, or they are harmful for us. They are good for our health. Okay, because these are organic acids, naturally made acids. Okay, acidic substances are the substances that contain acid in them, such as lemons, curds, vinegar, etc. Now coming to the material which contains what acid in it. For example, vinegar. Okay, vinegar we all have at our home. Vinegar we use it for different things, right? For cooking, for cleaning sometimes. Okay, so vinegar contains acetic acid. Now you just need to remember these names. Okay, sting contains of formic acid. I'll tell you a good fact that why ant sting with the acid present in the ant contains formic acid, or the acid named as formic, because in Latin ant is known as formica. Hence the acid present in the ant is named as formic acid in English as well as in different languages. Okay, now coming to citric acid. Similarly, citric acid is present in citrus fruits, which means that sour fruits such as oranges, lemons, etc. Yeah. Now coming to lactic acid. Lactic acid is present in curd as well as milk. Oxalic acid is present in spinach as well as tomatoes. Ascorbic acid, which contains vitamin C, this is very, very important. Ascorbic acid is present in amla. It contains vitamin C. It is rich of vitamin C. Okay. Now coming to tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, or we say kacha mango, green color mango. Okay, it is present in those. What is present? Tartaric acid is present in unripe mangoes. Now, all the acids mentioned above occur in nature or are present in nature. Okay. Now, some acids are also made in laboratories or scientific places. Right. Now, calcium hydroxide. Okay, this is a base. Okay, now let's first discuss what is a base. Then we'll come back to this. Okay, now base. Now what is a base? Base is substance that is bitter to taste. Okay, now how can I tell you that what do you mean by bitter? You can just go and try some soap with your, with your tongue, put it some soap. Or while you're washing your face, some amount of soap goes in, you feel a bitter kind of taste, your tongue will not feel any taste for a minute, like that two sensations happen. So this is known as bitter taste. Okay, actually don't go and taste soaps. Okay, now these bases are soapy to touch. These bases are found in different substances such as bleach, ammonia, washing powder and soap. Okay, now we'll come back to the name of the bases found in the particular substances. Now, in lime water, okay, lime water doesn't mean nimbu juice or lemon juice. Actually, it is a mixture of calcium plus hydrogen, that is calcium hydroxide. It is a chemical made in the scientific laboratories. Okay, next is window cleaner. It is also made in scientific laboratories, which contains of ammonium hydroxide. Okay, and also bases are also found in soaps, as we discussed. All the properties are related to soaps only. Whenever I say soap, you should remember base. Okay, whenever I say citrus or whenever I say lemon, you should remember acid. Okay, you should remember the type of acid which has. Okay, because these come in the form of questions. Magnesium hydroxide is the name of the base which is present in milk of magnesia. Now, what is milk of magnesia? Whenever we have acidity, okay, it is a normal phenomena for a human to have acidity if he or she doesn't eat anything, right? So, for curing that acidity, milk of magnesia is used. Now, I'll tell you a fact that in our stomach, in human stomach, HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, is present. So this acid breaks down the food and it also kills the germs present in the food. So when we don't eat anything, this acid starts burning the stomach walls. And hence this burning sensation of the stomach walls causes acidity. And now that is the acid. To cool it down or to neutralize it, we will add a base. That is milk of magnesia or magnesium hydroxide. You just need to remember the names now. Chemical formula we'll learn in our higher or the next classes. Okay, we saw about bases also. Now, bases, examples of bases are detergent, as we discussed. Second is in baking soda. Baking soda, we use it for making cakes or baking, right? Again, is the next is the toothpaste. It should be toothpaste. Okay. Now, toothpaste also, it is basic in nature. Okay. The germs present in our tooth or teeth, the germs present in our teeth, they release some sort of acids. To clean it or to neutralize it, we brush our teeth with the toothpaste, which is made up of base. So, the acid present in our mouth will get neutralized and they will not affect our teeth. So, you should brush daily, twice a day. Now the same thing, antacid. Antacid means a type of base which helps to cure acidity that we discussed just now, that is milk of magnesia or magnesium hydroxide. Okay. Again, one more thing is ammonia soaps or normal hand washes. They also contain bases. Wherever you find the thing soap, they contain bases. Next, coming to neutral substance. We are done with acids, we are done with base. Now, I told that in our stomach, there is HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. To neutralize it, to cool it down, we add a base, that is milk of magnesia. So, what will an acid and a base come together or react? They will form a neutral substance or a salt. Neutral substance is a substance which is neither acidic nor basic. Examples are pure water, table salt, sugar solution, etc. Okay, now coming to indicators. How will we understand that a given substance is acidic or basic in nature? By using indicators. Okay, we cannot taste every object. Okay, you cannot taste hydrochloric acid. It is very, very harmful. You cannot